and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It is scheduled for 12 3-minute rounds of professional super bantamweight boxing action.
Con un récord de 14 peleas ganadas, 10 perdidas, 2 empates y 3 victorias. Ahora en el local estamos en Guadalajara, Jalisco, México.
Introducing Sam Goodman!
The punch, that's interesting there as well. So
let's go, boys, let's go.
After several cancellations of the match between Australian undefeated prospect Sam Goodman versus Japanese monster Naoya Inoue due to injury, Goodman will finally get his chance to fight. But instead of Naoya Inoue, he'll face a formidable Mexican opponent, CESAR VACA Espinosa, who boasts an impressive record of 19 wins, 1 loss, and 12 knockouts. Given their records, this matchup promises to be a clash of caliber fighters. Goodman, currently riding a 19-0 record with 8 knockouts, will have his skills put to the test. This fight pits a technical boxer against a knockout artist. Whose hand will be raised after the bout? The fight will take place in Goodman's backyard in Australia. Given the fighters' styles and records, it seems like a closely contested match. The technical prowess of Goodman versus the knockout power of Espinosa makes for an intriguing matchup. Both fighters have impressive resumes, so it's hard to predict a clear winner. With only a few hours to go before the match, let's watch their last fights where both fighters emerged victorious. Goodman faced undefeated Thai boxer Tachtana Luangphon in July 2024 in a grueling 12-round battle.
He's warmed up with the very, very classy Sam Goodman is Warowitz.
Expected, right? We knew the man much.
Beautifully proficient, fought a different league to way. Goodman doubles up the jab and a little shot that came from Warowitz. Oh, as well. Yep. And then he did take a few good to see him lift his work rate, and he's a very good fighter. He's got fast hands, and you know, look at some of the opponents. Oh, here in round 2, and he boxes quite nicely. On from Goodman, but he's found body as well. He relaxed before the fight. There's the fight pretty decisively, but as he just gets, they're all here to see him, and he wants
It's going to be dangerous the whole time, right? So I know, but
Yep. Jabs away and drives to the body, punches down to the right hands. Happy to stand in front. He did. And he's happy to stand in front for a lot of the time. Those big shots. Defensive work from Sammy Goodman. Shots from Warowitz. He's been working to the body. Some intensity. Warning on the run from Chris Goodman, but Warowitz came straight back. Counters two to Goodman. And to the body. These are good shots. Sam Goodman. And the tight to another level here. And we taking right hand. Some big shots just whizzing by from Goodman to the body. With Warowitz over the top. Counter shot and a mad bunch. They start to about this is, you know, both fighters in the corner of Sam Goodman, confident they've won the first. Warowitz. Jab away, and then now he wrestles and goes to the body to Sam Goodman body as well. Right hand Warowitz. Yeah. Right hands again, and a left hand from Warowitz. He's having some good moments here. Goodman wears some shots. A lot of big shots. There's a touch of class. I figured this was going to be a tough fight. With a puncher. Killer punches there. Shot, and Warowitz back. Sure does. And he gets through with a good shot there, but Warowitz. Right hand. Good shots, Goodman.
Look, is he getting tired? I can't tell.
No. He's enjoying it. He's been seeing the sight, and that is a good.
I wonder if we're seeing China just slowing down that.
As the confidence of Goodman picks up here for a moment. Warowitz throws.
Goodman unloading.
There's a good two from Warowitz, and he chases him.
Down now, though, China, I think. It seems
dangerous. Going to be dangerous till the last bell, I reckon. Body shot, Goodman. Warowitz up the middle.
good body.
Over the top with the right hand is Goodman, and underneath those shots, and then he goes to the body as well with the inside.
Good left hook from Warowitz.
They took two from Goodman.
Another one.
Good shots from both fighters.
In the round well. Beautiful shot. I've never seen Sammy Goodman.
Warowitz just around the back of the... Tries to find that left hand as he...
Very bang, bang.
Oh, good shot. That's a body shot from Goodman.
Oh, Sam not scared to stay in the pocket. Oh, big left foot from Warwick. Good.
Uppercut, Warwick. That one misses. That's a good right hand from Warwick, though.
Oh, Gabby Goodman's in front, but it's not much in it. You know.
Warwick does that. Then we saw Goodman happy to stand on the business ends of... It's all important to the big punching Warwick. Oh, turns him up as well. Punching right up onto... Bang, bang.
Goodman comes back with 3 ribbons, but Warwick fires back.
Goodman. I just don't feel he needs to fight there, but he's...
Shows you what a chin Sammy Goodman's got.
That's a great right hand too.
Heavy.
Here's Warwick.
Sammy Goodman
presses forward.
Again, like we said. Look at that. Brilliant at that range.
There's a good... Uppercuts.
Oh,
Warwick with big shots. Work on the outside.
Yep.
Chasing the now south. Warwick.
Good left foot.
Big shot. Big shot.
Starting.
Oh, there's a big shot. There's a big shot.
Opponent, he lifts himself.
Oh,
Beautiful.
if he can. Against a renowned puncher.
Yes. Oh, beautiful. Coming up, it's the 11th round, the penultimate round, round 12, the final round, and in brilliant condition, Zach.
Warwick. What he's
got.
impressive check. Good little read from...
Oh,
trying to find the shot.
round 12. Nice hand right
Great
hand.
shot. We get into this all-important fight. I'm happy to go to war, but ultimately, we are seeing the class of the world number 1.
Wow.
As he scores with another big left hook. Sam Goodman!
Meanwhile, Espinosa fought fellow Mexican Joel Cordova in February 2025 in a 10-round non-title bout.
Que suene la campana, le saludamos, Yuri Surianis, María Espinosa, Chava Rodríguez. ¿Puede dormir para nada César VACA?
Y a ver,
Quiero caut, mi querida María Espinosa.
Pero cauto, ¿no? Porque sabe que puede llegar a soltarla.
Juan Carlos Torres, la familia de ESPN para nuestro querido Juan Carlos Torres.
Tratándole.
Natali por el campeonato gallo del Consejo Mundial de Gente en el primero.
Pues el primer round se lo tomó con mucha calma César VACA y solo por empuje se lo llevó a Córdoba 10-9. ¿Cómo está en la...
Pues con los golpes en el aire hasta ahora. Sí, la contra, literal, upper por parte de VACA. Lo intentó en 2 ocasiones y solamente llegó a decirlo que César VACA pudiera ser.
Sí, pero hay que ver si es contundente. Ay, de nuevo el upper. Si eso es suficiente para juntarse el...
Ahí con su primista VACA. Ahora lo recibe con el upper de mano derecha.
Y si ves que no hace nada, pues tomar por la iniciativa. Para recibir un contragolpe.
Incluso ser más claro. Se va a acabar el episodio, nos vamos a ir a un corte rápido.
Prácticamente no generó nada de daño. Y VACA conectó muy poco.
Tengo un poquito de ritmo, yo creo que tiene el nivel para...
Está cerradito, tratando de mantener arriba las manos, pero los uppers creo que han sido una buena... Con la pelea por la tremenda. Y está...
Mirando... Difícilmente renuncia a su posición ofensiva. Les dice el referee marcando a César para que vaya al frente, que tome la iniciativa. Que vaya de frente a todo nada desde... Ahí estuvo que... El medio Superman. Un Supermancito ahí, asalto anterior.
36, pero hay que exigirle un poquito más. Tiene que dar un paso adelante y buscar noquear.
Ahí lo tiene contra las cuerdas. Escucharon Julio, la finta medio rara, el tiro a VACA, cuidado que lo está...
Pero parecía bastante efectiva.
Ahí de Córdoba, pero logra cortar distancia.
Hicieron una detención, pero no.
Donde es... Apenas alcanzó a resbalar Trino, y en 2 ocasiones. Se va a acabar el asalto, pero no se queja de golpe, pero cuidado. Estaba aprovechando. Ya, bueno, ya por parte de VACA, lo cruza también con la mano.
Corta Córdoba.
Está conectando bien al cuerpo Vaca. Ahí se enfrascan en toma y dame.
Decisiva. Córdoba sigue flanqueando. Y ahí está a la derecha. Ahí está.
Respondió Córdoba, pero otro gancho de izquierda. César va en el séptimo. 1-2 por parte de Vaca, que va por él. Lo lleva con el multicampeón del mundo junto.
Y es Córdoba el que también, para poder contragolpear, Vaca está en mejor posición.
Estoy echando falta haciendo.
Manos después de girar. Al final, la Vaca pues sí tiene
Esa experiencia y bagaje de Córdoba más allá de que pero se frene ahí.
Pero de repente conectó dos buenos.
Va a tener que ir por todo o nada a Córdoba porque se le está yendo el combate. Parece que les
poder, como para noquear a Vaca, y eso que ya le metió dos manos constantes, pero viene la contra y la gente parte pegar la cabeza al pecho del rival. Todo eso de CMS, eso es lo que está pasando aquí. Abrazo tras abrazo. Ahora sería el referee que dice voy para que no le llegue un golpe ahí.
a lo mejor escuché mal. Eso.
40 segundos me quedan para sobre.
De verdad que ha sido una noche sensacional de buen boxeo a través de ESPN para él, pero se la ha rifado. Cuidado que parecía que se iban a la cabina telefónica. Suena la campana en ESPN.
Jalisco,